Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Moto G85 off and removing any case so you can access the SIM tray cleanly. Once the phone is off, find the hybrid tray along the side and insert the SIM eject tool straight in. Press firmly until the tray releases. You do this to avoid bending pins and to make sure the tray ejects fully. Improper force bends the tray. After the tray pops out, place it on a flat surface so the next steps go smoothly. Next, lay the SIM cards into their slots. SIM1 in the primary slot and SIM2 in the hybrid slot if available, or use a micro SD instead if you only need one SIM. Make sure metal contacts face down and the notches match the tray cutout so each card seats flat. Once aligned, carefully push the tray back into the phone until it is flush. Don't force it. You do this to ensure proper electrical contact and to prevent detection issues when you power the phone on. Finally, power the Moto G85 back on and open settings to network and internet, then SIM cards, so you can enable each SIM and choose which handles calls and data. Once done, set preferred SIMs and check APN and roaming settings if a network doesn't connect, because misconfigured APN often blocks data. If a SIM isn't detected, power off, reseat the tray, clean contacts with a soft cloth, and test SIMs one at a time to isolate hardware versus carry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.